yeah. Aya munwera mambo zokwadi munwera mambo munwera mambo aiwa munwera mambo mambo amungariziye tichitetereka ndinochemangoni senyu changamire ndinochemangoni atingatsumgaire muripo mambo atingatsumgaire mambo ndotsumgaire mambo muripo iye munoera mambo munoera mambo munoera mambo yeah. Oh yeah Todzungaira mambo Todzungaira mambo Todzungaira mambo Ndadzungaira mambo Ndadzungaira mambo yeah Ndadzungaira mambo Ndadzungaira mambo Ndadzungaira mambo yeah oh yeah mambo Todzungaira mambo oh yeah changamiro oh yeah Jimmy munwera mambo Jimmy muningoni mambo amungandiziye ndichema changamiro inga ndimi munona mambo yeah amungandiziye ndichitetereka ndimi munona imi mambo yeah. I thank you guys. Remember we are in the month of Mbira month, so I decided just to sing this instrumental, do just this Mbira performance, on an instrumental, so I thank you very much. Keep on supporting our content, keep on supporting, the Mbira music. We want to spread this culture across the world. We want to let the world to know that we have this sweet sound, this mesmerizing sound, and this sound is unique, this sound is rich, and we want to let people, to know out there that, this sound is so unique, this sound is so sweet. So please, if you are new to this channel, please you should subscribe to our channel so that as soon as we drop anything new, you get informed. This channel will post, or will actually upload Mbira videos, Afrofusion music. That's what we'll be doing on this YouTube video, and I want to let my fans and the people out there to know that very soon I'll be dropping a Mbira song, an actual Mbira song. So be ready again for that. I thank you. I did this just for a Mbira month, and I decided just to come out with this song. So I thank you guys. So bye. See you.